guys, welcome in next video. This is my first video in English language, so I apologize for my language skills, but I hope that you will understand what I'm talking about, at least something. And in today's video, and maybe following videos, I'm not sure, we will see, we're going to National Park Triglav, which is located on the north of Slovenia. We are almost there, and I really wanted to capture more videos, you know, during the way here, but it has been raining all the time, so we couldn't have seen anything. And now we are almost there, and here sun is shining, so I decided to make my intro of this video here. So National Park Triglav, it's supposed to be full of nature, rivers, caves, and a lot of interesting things, and because I would really like to share it with you, so I decided to make a video for you guys. So I'm not going there alone. One friend of mine, Kamcha, is going with me, but she's really shy to speak in English, and she's really shy to be in video, but I hope that it will be better. So now we're heading to the park, to the camp, and see you there. Já připijím, ať se tady užijem a připijím na moje auto. Okay guys, so we made it. I made 850 kilometers today, and now we're going to build our tent, and I'm gonna watch Kamcha because she's an expert in this activity, and so I'm just having a beer and enjoying this moment. Cože? Ne, hele, jestli s tím chceš kam pomoct, tak řekni. Excellent work.
Budu potřebovat pomoc.
Už běžím. She used to be a scout when she was younger, so
Ne, to jsem teda nebyla. Strašná prča.
Okay guys, so we were supposed to build a tent in 10 minutes, and we have been doing it for like 1 hour, but it's just because of fucking stones in the ground. But we made it, and now we are having a beer, and we will go sleep in a few minutes to get some rest for tomorrow. And tomorrow we are going to see the surroundings of this camp, which will be really interesting, so we will capture it for you, definitely. And I wanted to say that I'm really proud of my car, because it made 850 kilometers, which is a record, and it's first time abroad for my car, so yeah, we made it together. And so guys, see you tomorrow, and we hope that weather will be good, and we will capture the best screens for you. So see you tomorrow guys, good night.
Papa.
Velká napětí.
To půjde. Dostali jsme to. Krásně.
Okay guys, good morning. We got some sleep and rest, and today we're going to make a little trip around the park, so we're going to see some nice places, and we're going to start in lake, which we have already seen yesterday, but it was getting dark, so we saw nothing basically. So that's going to be our first stop. So we're going to show you, and then we're going to continue to the north of the park to see the source of the river Socha and some caves, castles and these amazing things. So I hope that we will make it until it will get dark. So let's go.
No one can stop me when I taste the feeling. Nothing could ever bring me down.
So guys, we made just like maybe 5 kilometers from our camp, and we made a stop at this is still Bohin Lake, and we just would like to show you because it's a really amazing view here. She's shy. And the water here is so pure. This is really amazing. So we shall continue. Okay, so guys, the second stop today is Lake Bled. Well guys, I'm not sure if you can see it on the screen, but there, that charge there is located on the small island, which is amazing. And there you can see castle on the rock. And again, pure water. And you know, in Czech Republic there's no so many places with so pure water, so I'm fascinated about this. So guys, this is still the south of the national park, just like our camp and Bohin Lake. In a few minutes we're going to move to Socha river. And we just made a stop because there is an amazing view to the mountains. So I will show you. Wait for the car. Well, this is amazing. Well guys, for us it's amazing, and for my car it's hell. So we are currently in 1129 meters over the sea. You know, just another amazing view on the way up. Until this moment we have been going up, and thanks God now we are going down, and our next stop is going to be the source of the river Socha, which should be really amazing because it's dangerous to get there, because we will be climbing the rocks and these things. So let's go. Ne? Okay Okay guys, so we just reached the parking place for the source of River Socha, and now it's about 15 or 20 minutes to get there. So go on. Oof, well, but this is fucking joke. Well, let's do this. Okay guys, so it was the source of River Socha, which was really nice, and now we are going to Trenta for a lunch. And it's like guys, this is also Socha River, but it's more down. Okay guys, so we moved from the north to the west of the park, and now we are looking for the Kozák waterfall, and I really screwed up the way, but we found a really interesting place to see, so I just want to show you. And now we are heading to Kozák waterfall, and we should be there in 10 minutes. So let's go. Well, okay guys, I have to tell you the truth that I'm such an asshole, because I went this way up like 20 kilometers per hour, and here is the name Slap Kozák, which means waterfall Kozák, of course. And I went up and I didn't see this name, and I made like 30 kilometers more up to the mountains. So I'm such an idiot, but now we are finally here, and we are going to check it out. It should be really amazing, because it should be big and maybe in cave. We will see. Okay guys, we are closing to the Kozák waterfall. They says just like 5 minutes, and we reached something which I would call teprve waterfall of Kozák. Well, I don't want to fall though. Scared right now. Okay guys, that would be all from today. I think that we have seen enough. We were supposed to see 2 castles, but we haven't found them, unfortunately, but never mind. I think that we have seen a lot of interesting places today. Now we are going back to our camp, and tomorrow we will see what we will do. So guys, see you tomorrow. Good night.